Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indoji nil no no wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndabanye, I'm Mekelonu. I'm with ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's hear it for Simona. Let's give it up for Simona. All right, very good. So thanks a lot, shout out to Simona for sending in her name for today's Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. So I asked Simona to describe herself for me, and she said that she's a very giving person, and she can just observe and see what someone in her life needs, and just give it to them, help them out in wherever area of their life they need, and just basically give them whatever will help them out without having to be asked, right? So I thought about this and I said, you know what, the perfect Igbo name for her is Onyinyechi, or short for that, Onyinye. Come on, say that with me. Onyinyechi. Good. So you guys ready to translate that name together? All right, cool. So Onyinye, that kind of comes from I guess it's a root word or like a main word, inye. Inye means to give. So onyinye means a gift, right? So inye is like a verb, right? And then the noun that's related to it is onyinye, meaning like an actual gift, the thing that you give, right? And then chi means God or destiny or anything like that. In this context, it means God. So yeah, basically Onyinyechi means God's gift. Onyinye is short for that. And basically it means gift. You know what I'm saying? So I gave her that name because she's into gift giving and just helping out the people in her life with whatever they need. Onyinye. Onyinyechi's names give them the power to be kind-hearted, understanding, and intuitive. Tag and share this video with all the Onyinyechi's/Onyinye's that you know. Thanks. All right, so what do you think about today's video? Is that a fitting name for her? Did I get the translation right? Let me know in the comment section down below. I look forward to hearing what you have to say. So please like this video, leave a comment down below, share this with any friends who are interested in Igbo, Nigerian culture, or just African culture in general. Hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. If you want an Igbo name, that bell button will definitely help out because you'll be the first to know whenever I drop a video featuring your Igbo name. And subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like today's video. So, if you would like an Igbo name, please hit me up on my Instagram DM, link in the description, and I'll give you an Igbo name based off of personality traits and events surrounding your entry into this world, your birth, the way your family members and friends would describe you, things like that. That's the best way to give you a truly culturally authentic Igbo name, right? And if you are Igbo, let me know in my Instagram as well too, or leave me a comment, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo Name of the Day. All right, so I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.